Stop fighting Amazon Captchas. We open-sourced a billion-row data plugin in today's e-commerce landscape. The true barrier to building an AI agent is no longer the LLM model itself. The real barrier is access to clean, comprehensive data. Over the last year, Amazon's anti-scraping and CAPTCHA mechanisms have become incredibly strict. Whether you are writing a custom scraper or paying for an expensive monitoring SaaS, everyone faces the exact same issues: IP bans, missing data, and polluted datasets. If your data source is blocked, even the best prompt engineering is useless. Your billion-parameter model becomes nothing more than an expensive toy. The industry's exclusive data vault. To solve the problem of data scarcity, we didn't just write better prompts. Over the past few years, we have quietly accumulated billions of real, structured Amazon reviews across every single category. This isn't just a database. It's a massive, cleaned, and labeled data goldmine. If you can access this vault, every buyer pain point, product defect, and usage scenario is laid bare. You no longer have to guess what your competitors are doing wrong. You simply ask the vault. One-click deployment. The open-source plugin today, we are handing you the keys to this vault. We have officially open-sourced our VOC Amazon Reviews plugin. This isn't a complex scraper that requires you to buy expensive proxy pools. It's an incredibly lightweight, easy-to-deploy CLI plugin. You can install it directly from GitHub with one line. ClawHub install mgwozen/voc Amazon Reviews. Once installed, just run the command against any ASIN. ClawHub run voc Amazon Reviews, ASIN B099Z93WD9. The plugin bypasses the entire scraping process. It connects directly to our underlying data vault and outputs clean JSON and deep LLM semantic insights within 5 seconds. Stop scraping. Start listening. In this era of infinite computing power, the one who controls the data source wins the market. If you are tired of fighting Amazon's CAPTCHAs, tap into the industry's most exclusive data artery today. The code is fully open source on GitHub. Go build something amazing.